our guests, especially our guests who have traveled from other countries and have taken out time to come to Pakistan.
Marina Lalovic. I'm a radio host of Radio Rai, the Italian national broadcaster company. We just started this morning by tackling a very general issue in terms of the future of the media. The name of the panel was the key issues of the media, so that was the very good start of tackling various aspects of crisis of media.
So first of all, I like to congratulate the organizers for organizing this international conference, and I would take this opportunity to extend my warm welcome to all the foreign delegates.
It was a tremendous session, and really we discussed all topics about that. We discussed about the closeness, or what do you call it? We talk about the proximity, the strategic proximity, and media. Media wants the attention of the people, and we have got speakers from UK, we have got speakers from Canada, and we discussed at length the health issues, the issues of culture, the issues of human interest, and the issues of the common man. I would like to say a word that my hats off to PMDF.
My name is Nelson Bova. I work as a fully employed journalist in the public television RAI in Italy. I'm finding this sessions interesting. This conference is really interesting because I discovered that I live in a Western country, a country with another culture, but we share the same problem and we share the same difficulties to find solution to this problem.